Hey guys, welcome to the DevOps Hub. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to use the mkdir command to create directories in Linux. Whether you are a beginner or looking to refresh your skills, this video will help you master directory creation. As name suggests, mkdir stands for make directory. So, let's start with the basic usage of mkdir command. To create any file, to create any directory, we use command mkdir followed by directory name. As here you can see, project is our directory name. The directory has been created. We can check by using command ls. See, it's showing project name directory created. If this project name directory is already, or any other directory is already present, and if we try to make that directory name, it will show us error. So let's verify. Okay, yes, I have done mistake in spelling, so I'm correcting it. Okay, and yes, I have corrected that. See, it's showing the error in error like file already exists. You can also create the multiple directories at once. Just list the names separated by spaces, like mkdir directory 1 space directory 2 directory 3. This command creates three directories named directory 1, directory 2 and directory 3. There is another option to create multiple files at once. We can use command mkdir and the common part outside the curly brackets in curly brackets the directory names like 4 dot dot 7. We have to separate that first and last part by dot dot and curly bracket end. You can see the result by using command ls. The directory 4, directory 5, directory 6, sometimes directory 7 has been created. A directory structure with multiple levels at once. For example, let's say we want a directory path like /root /directory 1 /directory 1 with starting with capital D and /abc. We can achieve this using the -p option with mkdir. For that, first we'll check the listing of directory 1. For that we have to go to directory 1. We'll go by using command cd, that's change directory, and now using ls we can see there is nothing in directory 1. Now let's come back to our directory, main directory, and here we'll use that command with -p followed by our path, that's /root /directory 1 /directory 1 again, and then abc. So here we go, let's hit enter. Yes, we are done. Now again we'll go into directory 1. We start by small d. Okay, now when we do ls we can see directory 1 with capital D has been created. Now let's go into that directory. Yes, so we can see the abc directory also has been created. To check the structure, we will list the contents recursively using command ls-R. As you can see, the entire directory path has been created seamlessly. This -p option ensures that parent directories are created if they don't already exist. And that's how you use the mkdir command. It's straightforward, yet powerful tool for managing directories in Linux. Whether you are setting a project or organizing files, mkdir is your go-to command. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the DevOps Hub for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or topics you would like to see, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.